Rebuilding and compacting your shopfront database in AAAPOS RetailManager. When this option is selected, AAAPOS RetailManager both rebuilds and compacts your shopfront database. Your shopfront may need to be rebuilt in the event of unforeseen accidents such as power failure, where RetailManager has not been exited properly, the shopfront file has been corrupted, or someone has interfered with it. RetailManager can fix most problems by rebuilding the shopfront database. However, if this fails, you can contact AAAPOS for support, so we can fix this for you. When you compact your shopfront, you optimize the size of the shopfront database, so that overall system performance is enhanced. You should compact your shopfront database every week. Please note, if you are using RetailManager on a network, shut down any other linked RetailManager sessions first, before rebuilding and compacting your database. Go to the File menu and choose Configuration. Select Yes to close your current shopfront. The shopfront configuration window appears. If you have multiple shopfronts, make sure you highlight the shopfront you want to rebuild and compact. Select the Maintenance tab. Select Rebuild and Compact Database. Select Yes to rebuild and compact your shopfront database. Shopfront database will be compacted and rebuilt. If the rebuild and compact is successful, just select OK, X out of the configuration menu, and go back into your shopfront to begin transacting. If the rebuild is not successful, an error message will be displayed. If this happens, please contact AAAPOS on 1300 555 115 or +6 138 400 3083 for overseas customers, so we can remote in and fix your database.